Good morning students, my name is Mitali and I am your social science teacher. We are doing chapter number 2 which is latitude and longitude. In the previous session we have discussed about what is longitude and also we have discussed some features of that longitude. So let's take a recap of that. So the lines, the imaginary lines that run from, this is our north pole and somewhere down is our south pole. So the lines that are running from north pole to south pole, all these are our longitudes. Also we have discussed that these lines are equal in the length. As you can see that all the lines are connecting from north pole to south pole. So the length of all the meridians, or we can say longitudes, are same. Next feature which we have discussed, the distance between two longitude is maximum at the equator. You can see this is our equator. This line is our equator and the distance between two longitudes. Here you can see that the distance is maximum, but when we are moving towards the pole, whether we are moving towards north pole or the south pole, the distance that you are seeing here is maximum and it is decreasing as we are moving towards the poles. Also we have read that we have a 0 degree longitude which is at the center of the earth, that is also called prime meridian. What is the role of this longitude? This longitudes divide the earth into two equal parts, which is earthern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Okay, the last thing we have discussed was that this is our 0 degree latitude and I have told you that 180 latitudes are here, sorry, longitudes are here, 180 longitudes are here. But let's see this diagram. It will make you more clear about the longitudes. This is my north pole and somewhere down here is my south pole. This is my prime meridian which is 0 degree longitude, and here you can see that 180 longitudes are there and 180 longitudes are here. In my last session मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था आपसे कि total we have 360 longitudes, but अगर मैं count कर रही हूँ, so this is my one which is prime meridian, then 180 this side, 180 this side, so it is total becoming 361. तो उसका क्या राज था? Now I will tell you what is the reason behind that. ध्यान से देखना इस diagram को. See, this is my 0 degree. I am moving in my eastern hemisphere. When I am moving in my eastern hemisphere, here is 15 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree east, 60 degree east, 75 degree east, 90 degree, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165 degree east, and then I have 180 degree west. And same, like if I am moving in my western hemisphere, the same I am getting, and here also 180 degree west. So where is 180 degree east? वो कहाँ गई हमारी? So to make you clear this, देखो इधर से चलो या उधर से चलो, वी विल मीट एट वन पॉइंट, हम लोग एक ही पॉइंट पे आके मिलेंगे. सो दैट मीन्स दिस 180 डिग्री आपको जो दिख रहा है दैट इज ओवरलैपिंग, मतलब जो 180 डिग्री ईस्ट है और 180 डिग्री वेस्ट है वो एक दूसरे को ओवरलैप करते हैं. If I'll add this 180 and 180 minus 1, क्योंकि 180 degree east और 180 degree west है तो overlap कर लिया. So here I have 359 longitudes, and if I'll add this prime meridian I'll get 360 longitudes. So that was the reason why we have 360 longitudes, except that prime meridian को include करके we have 360 longitudes. So now the next topic we are going to discuss is what is international date line. So now to make you more clear about the concepts of latitude and longitude, I have one surprise for you. And you know what is that surprise? Your favorite thing. I am bringing a balloon. Is it a balloon? No, this is not a balloon. Now you have to consider it as a globe. See, suppose I am having a globe in my hand. This is my north pole here and this is my south pole. The lines that are running from north pole to south poles are called meridian or longitude, and the lines that are running from east to west are called my latitudes or the parallels. So here this is the line which is at the center, which is connecting north pole and south pole. This is my prime meridian which is 0 degree, and here I have some longitudes which is in eastern hemisphere. So this is 15 degree east, 30 degree east. Here you can see that 15 degree west and 30 degree west. So this is my western hemisphere. So I told you that this is my prime meridian and it divides the earth into two hemisphere. लेकिन if it is a sphere, if the earth is sphere, तो ये अकेली लाइन तो नहीं डिवाइड कर सकती ना, इधर इधर कैसे डिवाइड करेगी? So there will be a complete circle जो डिवाइड करेगा. So just behind this prime meridian, बिल्कुल इसके पीछे, if I turn my earth, we have one this longitude, which is I told you that 180 degree east or west. It is the same longitude which is called IDL or international date line. In this picture you can clearly see that this is my international date line, which is a longitude 180 degree east or you can say 180 degree west. Why this longitude very important? Because सारे बच्चों ने सुना होगा कि अभी किसी की बुआ या किसी का कोई रिलेटिव रहता होगा यूएस में या किसी और कंट्री में, वहाँ सुना होगा अपने यहाँ तो अभी दिन है लेकिन यहाँ तो रात हो रही होती है. सो व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन. एज वी ट्रेवल फ्रॉम this side, from eastern hemisphere to western hemisphere, we can say that we are gaining a day. Suppose if I am starting traveling on Monday, I am reaching there on Tuesday. Vice versa, if I am traveling from west to east, मैंने travel तो start किया था Tuesday में, but I am reaching here on Monday. So this is the role of इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन. चाहे वो मेरी फ्लाइट 2 आवर्स की क्यों ना हो, बट इफ यू आर क्रॉसिंग दिस इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन, योर डे, योर डेट विल बी चेंज. सो द लाइन आई एम रीडिंग फ्रॉम योर बुक इज, when we move from east to west of the international date line or 180 degree meridian, we gain a day. As I told you, when we move from west to east, from west to east of 180 degree longitude, we lose a day. So that is why the prime meridian and the international date line, both the longitudes are very, very important. Thank you.